Asking directions in English. How do I get to library? How do I get to library? Where is the nearest post office? Where is the nearest post office? Can you tell me the way to the big hotel? Can you tell me the way to the big hotel? Are we on the right road for London? Are we on the right road for London? Can you show me on the map, please? Can you show me on the map, please? I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. How do I find? Excuse me, how can I go to? Excuse me, how can I go to? Are you from around here? Are you from around here? Do you have a map? Do you have a map? Which is the best way to? Which is the best way to? Pardon me, I'm lost. How do I get to? Pardon me, I'm lost. How do I get to? I'm looking for. Could you direct me to? Could you direct me to? May I ask for some help? I need to get to. May I ask for some help? I need to get to. How can we get to High Park? How can we get to High Park? Is it far? Is it far? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station?